Top paradise. You said you like what?
Me.
Yeah, you said you like trust issues.
Yeah.
Who got trust issues?
Nobody got trust issues, but I like the song. It's a super fucked up song.
It's nice.
Hard.
You like it?
Yeah. Like kind of cool. Speaks to a person. Stuff like that.
Dog.
What up,
What it do?
boy? Chase. Still fucked up.
As ever.
No, man, I'm all up in your head.
Yeah, all up in your screen.
Yeah, man. Anyways, please talk. Started off with me always saying I don't love no bitch, man. But okay, fine. Finally, the boy does love a bitch, man.
Are you the nigga just came back from Benin and shit?
Yeah, man, just full of party and shit.
Oh yeah, full of fun.
Sorry, dog. Limpopo,
You cook that.
Limpopo, SA gangs, South African gangs, provincial, Nami.
You know.
Yeah, man, we came third. Yeah, we could have came like first or second, dog. I mean, like,
Wait. You did that again?
Hey, what the fuck? And that's what I
oh shit.
Okay, give it to me. I was talking about Alexis. Like, give it to me later.
Anyway.
I was smoking.
Anyway, fuck, dog. I'm sorry if you had to see that. I mean, like, I'm sorry. Next time we'll practice. I don't know what the fuck. But
I mean, this shit like it's.
Let me like.
We got a script and shit.
yeah, we live it, you know, like we're the realest, you know. Fuck it. Anyways, yo, dog. I don't love no bitch. 22, I love a bitch. By the name of the Carla. I know a lot of girls are listening right now. It's La Fala song, so. Anyways, fuck it. Yeah, I come from Polokwane, SA Games, Tour, Provincial. Came first and second.
I even got bronze out there.
Yeah, man, we got the bronze. But hey,
From a team all the way from Calabora,
I mean,
dog.
hold up. I mean, like, we got bronze, but
What else?
the first time Limpopo gets the medal
Yeah.
in general. So I mean, like, fuck, dog. Shut your motherfucking mouth, fuck. Slap your shit down.
Correct, dog. Why not let me not scratch your car? You know, you're actually not blocking your face.
What's on your phone? That's fine.
Cooking when she phone, dude.
No way. Yeah, I'll show you.
You probably wake up dead tomorrow.
I'll show it now. Nah.
Is it done?
So fun. You put on the website.
Mother, catch this, mother. People, check this shit out. Yo, fuck, dog, you're gonna be amazed, dog. Fuck.
Dude.
Oh, shit! The goddamn
This song, you don't knock the fuck up. You have to do the shit.
Oh, look at that other side.
Just do it.
Really?
Looks like the smoke is coming out from this smoke.
HB, man, I just came back from 7 days away from this place. Fucking miss it already. Shit.
7 days, you say? Away from
What's 7
PHP.
days? Oh, it is 7 days. You left last Saturday. Like,
7 days a week, ain't it?
not really. He left like last Saturday.
What you drinking there?
When I came back, I said,
Some stuff.
oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Okay.
But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do this shit till it's over. For 7 days straight, I haven't been sober.
I got some white dude asleep on my couch. What do you got?
What is he doing? What is he doing?
I'm a